Hey Sunny fam, what's up? Welcome back. I'm your Sunny trainer Sydney, and today I have a little bit of an intro to ellipticals workout for you guys. So I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about how you should mount your elliptical, your form while you're riding, all of that good stuff that newbies to an elliptical will find helpful. Or if it's just been a minute since you've had a little refresher, this will be a great little way to get a reminder of how your form should look when you are on your elliptical. After that, we're gonna get into a quick workout, right around 10 minutes. So let's get started. First off, when you are mounting your elliptical, you wanna make sure that you are stepping onto the foot plate at its lowest point so that it's nice and stable. Grab onto one of those handlebars there just for stability, and we are gonna hop up onto our machine. Now, we can start moving here a little bit. So as you're moving on your elliptical, you wanna make sure that your feet are remaining as flat as they can on those foot plates while we are moving. It's kind of hard to do that, at least for me, because I've sprained my ankle about 10 times on the right side, so keeping that heel down is really hard for me. So if it's hard for you too, just to do your best. Just know that if you're keeping that foot planted firmly on that foot plate, it's going to reduce a lot of pressure in your joints. The ankle and knee will thank you a ton for it. So just keep working on it. I'm working on it too, so if you notice my heels popping up, yell at me through the camera, or I don't know, whatever it is you want to do. The next pointer that I want to give you guys is about your form. All right, so there's just a few things that I want you guys to focus on when you're on your elliptical. All right, the first thing is going to be keeping your core nice and tight and engaged when you're on your machine. This is really key because when we're using our elliptical, we're moving our arms and we're moving our legs, right? There's a lot of movement in our extremities. So we want to make sure that our core is nice and tight because that will help us push with power through both our arms and our legs and really make the most of our workout. Finally, I want you guys thinking about your posture when you're on your elliptical. All right, so we're not leaning too far forward and depending on those handlebars too much. We're also not leaning back. I don't want anybody falling off of their machine. All right, your posture should be stacked from head to toe. So mostly upright. If you want to lean forward just slightly, that's totally fine. But once again, we're not depending on those handlebars to keep yourself upright on your machine. All right, and keep those shoulders down and back, upper body nice and upright. Once you've got all that set, we're ready to go. So let's start off with a quick 1-minute warm up on our elliptical. Ready? Go ahead and put that resistance nice and low. We're gonna just start out with a resistance of 1 here. Nice and easy pace. This is your jogging pace while on your elliptical. So if we were running, nice and slow, and we're just working on warming up all of those muscles, getting that heart rate pumping, getting ready for the workout ahead. Keep breathing. Good. Think about that form as you're warming up. Try to get used to it. Keep bringing your attention back to it. You'll find as you start to get tired that you start to lose it a little bit. So just keep bringing your mind back to it and working on it when you can. All right? For our workout today, we're gonna be working in 1-minute increments. We're gonna be playing with the resistance as well as our pace. So for the first minute of this workout, we're gonna take our resistance up to 2. We're going to jog at this resistance for 40 seconds. The last 20 seconds, we are going to sprint. All right? Are you ready? Let's get ready. Let's get excited. Make it happen. Ready? In 3, 2, and 1. Let's increase that resistance. 1 level, so we're at a level of 2. Now, your elliptical might be a little bit different than mine, so you might have a different resistance on your machine. Just do whatever you can today and adjust this workout as necessary. Nice and easy pace. Remember, we're jogging, just getting used to that resistance. Ready. Our first sprint in 3, 2, and 1. Let's pick up that pace. Really push yourself, only 20 seconds. Almost there. In 3, 2, and 1. All right, slow down that pace. We're gonna take our resistance up to 3. Nice deep breath. It's going to feel a little harder. This is our recovery here, so just relax. We'll get into our next sprint in right about 20 seconds. Ready, in 5 seconds, our second sprint. In 3, 2, and 1. Pick it up. Push that pace. Remember, we're working against resistance, so it might not look as fast as if you were just sprinting on the ground, right? But we are pushing those legs and pushing our arms all the way through in 3, 2, and 1. Great work. Let's take it up to a resistance of 4. Nice and easy on the pace. Pace yourself. We have another 20-second sprint coming up. Now, if the resistance throughout this workout is ever too high for you, feel free to adjust your resistance as needed, right? This is your workout. Every workout that you take on your elliptical is yours. So make sure that you adjust it to your comfort level and your fitness level. Ready? Next sprint in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Great job, you guys. 20 seconds. Give it your all. Almost there in 3, 2, and 1. Woo! All right, resistance going up to 5. Light and easy on the pace. Now remember, if you don't feel comfortable with adding resistance, just stay right where you are, all right? Still gonna get a great workout. If you do feel comfortable, this is an awesome way to get used to the resistance on your machine. All right, almost there. 20-second sprint in 3, 2, and 1. Let's do it. Push that pace. Pick it up. Try to keep up with me. Come on, we've got this. In 3, 2, and 1. Slow it down. Let's bring that resistance up. This right here is going to be our hardest interval of the day, all right? Resistance of 6. After this, we will work our way back down, so taking that resistance off. You guys are doing a great job. Keep breathing. 10 more seconds, and we'll hit that sprint. Ready, in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Pick it up. Come on, move that body, challenge yourself. Really use those legs and those arms. Almost there. In 3, 2, and 1. Great work. Taking it down to a resistance of 5. All right, we're over the hump. Thank goodness. We are working our way back down. You guys are doing an awesome job. Hang in there. It only gets easier from here. Keep breathing. Try to recover that breath in between intervals, okay? During this jogging time. Ready, next sprint coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's push it. Ten more seconds, come on. Great job. In 3, 2, and 1. All right, resistance is coming down to a level of 4. Nice and easy, relax into that jog. Now, as we're bringing the resistance level down, try not to relax too much on your pace, okay? When we're jogging, totally fine. That's your time to recover, of course. But during our sprints, let's try to push ourselves even faster, okay? Because the resistance is easier. I know it feels hard now, but it's totally worth it. Next sprint. Ready in 3, 2, and 1. Let's do it. Come on, push that pace. Almost there. Push yourself. In 3, 2, and 1. All right, resistance comes down again to a level of 3. Great work, you guys. Catch your breath. Soak in this recovery time. You're doing an amazing job. We only have 2 more sprints left, so hang with me. We're almost there. 20 more seconds, and we'll hit that sprint. Ready, in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Push it all the way through. Keep moving those legs as fast as you can. Doing awesome. In 3, 2, and 1. Great work, you guys. Resistance comes down to a 2. This is our last little minute of workout here. So soak in this rest. We're gonna kill this last sprint, only 20 seconds, and then we'll get into a light little cool down. Great job, you guys are doing amazing. Stay with me. Let's make this last sprint a really good one, okay? All of that energy that you have left, let's get it out, leave it out there, all right? Make this sprint count. Ready, in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Pick up that pace. The resistance is nice and light. Let's push our bodies. Keep going, so close. In 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's slow that pace down. Bring that resistance all the way down to 1. Nice deep breath. We're gonna work on recovering our breathing, letting our body slow down a little bit. Nice deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Nice and deep. Let's give our body that oxygen. Great work, you guys. You did such an amazing job. This is really a great workout that you can do at any level to challenge your fitness. All right, so no matter what resistance you were at today or what pace you were at, you might have been slower or faster than me. Wherever you're at, you're in the perfect place for you and you're doing an amazing job. So keep it up, keep working at it, and you are going to see those fitness goals come true. All right, you guys, great work. If you have more time, keep on cooling down on your machine. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining me today. Had a great time working out with you. We'll see you guys next time.